Right everyone, this is for the guys at uklocksport.co.uk. There's a link on there for the Audi Special £3.50 padlocks, and they are the quality you expect them to be for £3.50. Standard go-so pick again. You can actually do this like probably without even concentrating. Just try and hit every one of the pins. It doesn't matter how hard you do it, you're just messing around with them now. There we go. It won't now because I'm on camera. Oh, come on. There we go. But what works really well with these is, I'll just find it, is them fellas. That's the Goso rake. Gosso, you can call it. Check that out. You see there? Again, in case it was too quick. Oh.